humanity, because while we are diverse and carry different identities, we remain beings capable of respect, dignity, and love. Bringing 45 participants for the past 4 or 5 days in Davao City and Summit Island really takes a lot of effort. And especially receiving more than hundreds of applicants for the locals and filtering them is really a huge task. And we cannot do all of this without the support of a great institution like the Ateneo de Davao University, especially the Al-Kalam Institute, led by Dato Mussolini Sinsuat Lidasan, and of course the Deputy Director, Kenny Lloyd Amon. They deserve a round of applause. And of course the Secretariat, also the members, I would like to acknowledge them. Ma'am Joy, and Lucky, and Karen, and Marisa. So all of them really are behind the success of this big event. And of course, without our partners like the city government of Samal, and then the SICC or Samal Island City College, for providing us spaces like this for conversation and dialogue. But really, what brings all of this together is our shared pursuit of peace and the common good in Mindanao and beyond. We all want more peaceful and cohesive society. Yet more than often than not, we lack the platforms that allow us to bring our ideas and efforts to a larger scale. Everything we want to achieve together begins with what we choose to do now. May our stories and conversations here continue to inspire us, spark new ideas, and keep us moving forward, even when others do not. When we go home, let us think about the diversity in humanity and how we can work for, promote, and sustain peace in Southeast Asia. As Filipinos, as Thais, as Malaysians, as Cambodians, as Indonesians, as Bruneians, as Singaporeans, and as Asians, as one ASEAN, and importantly, as humans. Sukran, daghang salamat, thank you very much, and that ends our Salaam Mindanao and Beyond 2025. Thank you all, and congratulations to everyone.